Pin zipper right sides together to left side of front pants, with top edge of the spiral aligning with back top edge. We always secure the zipper with a top stitch in place. Open the zipper. Afterwards, we use a special presser foot for invisible zippers to get as close to the coil as possible. Close zipper. Pin the other side of the zipper, at the same height, to the left side of the back trousers, right sides together. Again, fix in place with a straight stitch and a normal presser foot. Open zipper, and use presser foot to sew as close to the coil as possible. These sewing foots will press open the coil. Close zipper. Fold up the zipper end. Now use a regular zipper foot to sew the side seam close to the zipper end and to the end of your pants leg. Press seam allowances apart. Your side zipper is now finished, and you'll sew the other pant leg without a zipper. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You can find our sewing patterns in our shop at SisterMAGPatterns.com or check out our Instagram and Pinterest.